Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the color of your text on the Google Sheets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select from an already existing document, from your existing documents, from your list, but you have the possibility to create a new document by clicking on the plus icon down below in the right corner. Now you have two options. You can either choose a template and create a document with a standard format, or you can tap on the new spreadsheet option and give your file a new name, then press the button create. Here tap on a column or a cell and then press this pencil icon and then type in something and then press the button check mark. Here you should tap on this A icon down below, which is the second icon, and then you should choose the color of your text that you have already typed in. Here, if you have found the right color that you like, press on it or tap on it, and then as you can see you have 8 other options or more options which are the shades of that particular color that you have chosen. So tap on the one that you prefer and suits your preferences, and then as you can see you have changed the color of your text. So if you would like to save these changes, just simply press the button in the left side corner of the screen at the top, which is a check mark icon. So now you have saved your document. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.